As many families return home to pick up the pieces, people across the country are looking for ways to help. KENS 5 consumer reporter Nicole Kahn joins us to explain how to do the most good with your donations. Nicole?
Deborah, Texans are extremely generous and we want to help, but schemers, they are lurking out there to take advantage of this tragedy, knowing people will donate. The Better Business Bureau shares tips on making sure whatever you give really helps those truly in need.
The impulse is to give what you can immediately, especially when you see destruction like this. But the Better Business Bureau says don't necessarily give to the first organization that asks.
We want our money to go the furthest, so we really want to maximize every dollar. So really, if you want that to happen, investigate the charity as much as you can.
Check to see that the organization is already established in the impacted area. Newer charities might have good intentions, but can't always help immediately.
Are they ready to give right now? Are they prepared to move products and services now as opposed to later?
Money is often more helpful than items.
There are deals and charities that have worked out different, barter arrangements where they can buy more or maximize every dollar that comes in.
Be careful if you donate to crowdfunding. It's easy for schemers to imitate survivors.
Look at the BBB's accredited charities at give.org before you donate. Again, that's give.org. Approved charities must meet 20 standards. Also, you may want to wait to give. The impacted communities certainly do need emergency assistance right now, but will also have longer-term needs. Jeremy?